Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today, we are going to create a partition on your hard drives in Windows 10. So, let's get started. In the search bar, type File Explorer. You will find the File Explorer option, so click on it. On the left-hand side, look for This PC. I can see the C drive here with 60 gigabytes free, and there is no other partition. We will create a partition in this drive. For that, press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard, or simply right-click on the Start icon and then click on Run. Now, in the Run window, type diskmgmt.msc. Once you type it, click on OK, and a new window will appear, which we call Disk Management. Here you can see System Reserved, C drive, and Healthy Recovery Partition. These should be present on your computer as well. We need to leave the System Reserved or the Healthy Recovery Partition alone. Just look for the larger drive. Select the C drive. You will see the same information here. C disk, System Reserved. Now, right-click on this and select Shrink Volume. The moment I click on Shrink Volume, it starts calculating the shrink space. When you click on Shrink Volume, it may take a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, so please don't think it's stuck. Once the process is complete, I can see a 120 gigabyte hard drive. Let's say I want to create a 5 gigabyte partition. I need to enter the value in megabytes. 1024 megabytes equals 1 gigabyte, so I'll type 5000, which rounds off to 5 gigabytes. Once I type 5000, I will click on Shrink. The process will take some time depending on your hard drive speed. Since this is an SSD, it takes very little time. Now I can see unallocated space. Earlier, we had only 3 options, but now we have the 4th one, which we just created. It's currently showing as unallocated, so we need to format this drive to create the partition. Right-click on the unallocated space, click on New Simple Volume, and a new wizard will open. This wizard helps you create a simple volume on a disk. A simple volume can only be on a single disk. So, click on Next. Here, you don't need to make any changes, so just leave everything as it is by default and click on Next. Now, you can assign a drive letter. I want to assign D, so I'll select it and click on Next. It's asking me to format it. The default format is NTFS. If your computer is showing FAT32, make sure to select New Technology File System, NTFS, and leave the default allocation size. Just click on Next, then click on Finish. Once you do this, a new volume has been created. Let's go ahead and check. I'll close this window and open File Explorer. From there, click on This PC, and here we go. The new drive is visible. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. I need your support. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.